Knowing what changes are made, when, and by who are all important things to know, particularly when you're troubleshooting an issue. In this video, we'll show you how to access the user action logs to view these kinds of changes inside of KMC Commander. With this feature, you'll be able to reference a history of changes to set points, schedule updates and events, changes from API calls, and anytime the system has made a change. Let's start by performing a standard function like changing a set point on a card, then we'll go see how it logs that change within the UI. First off, let's go to the dashboard and change a cooling set point for VAV1. I'll change the value from 79 to 82. Now click the Show Advanced button and change the write priority to 5 with a write timeout of 1 hour. Click Submit to push the set point change into the BAS. Now let's see how this event is reflected in the user action log. Navigate to the project settings by clicking the gear icon in the left-hand menu. Action logs can be found in the tabs across the top. The logs are ordered by the time of the event. And here at the top, you can see the change I just made on the dashboard, with the device, the point being referenced, the user I was logged into when I made the change, and the details of the change I made. It's also very easy to search by filling in one of the fields above the list. I'll search for Joe under first name, and clicking Apply Filter. Now you can see all the changes under my user's name. If you're interested in learning more about KMC Commander, check out the library of videos on our YouTube channel. And to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.